It was because someone was careless. It was because someone was distracted. It was because someone that is not the warning.
It was because someone thought it will not happen to me.
It was someone else's problem.
Someone else's mistake.
Someone else's responsibility.
So, whose responsibility is it?
Mine,
Yours? Theirs?
their responsibility.
Episode 1. A real story. Every engine has a moment before it happens. This is a story of a young student. He was traveling home after school. He was not doing anything unusual. He was simply going home.
Oh no, I'm late. Should I take the foot-over bridge? No. A shortcut.
Just 5 more minutes. Just one shortcut. Just one bridge. Stop! Let us stop here. Was the accident caused at this moment? Or at this moment? Or at the moment before? The helmet was uncomfortable.
The road was busy. I was only looking at my phone for a second.
I thought nothing would happen. Most accidents do not begin with a disaster. They begin with a small decision. A brain injury does not only affect one person. It affects the family. It affects friends. It affects the future. I waited for him to come home. The clock moved. The phone rang. But he did not answer. I asked myself. I waited for him to come home. The clock moved. The phone rang. But he did not answer. I asked myself, could I have saved him? Could I have prevented this? Yesterday, we were planning our future. But today, we are planning our hospital visits. Doctor, is it fine? Yeah.
He was not just a patient.
भैया
My friend, he was my teammate. Don't cry, it will be alright. He was someone's lover.
Good news! You survived!
Are you okay? They told me I was lucky to survive. But they never told me what survival would cost. I had to learn to walk again, how to speak again, how to become myself again.
Again! Again!
You look fine. You're walking. You're smiling. So why are you struggling?
Because my injury is always not on my skin. It's in my memory. It's in my confidence. It's in the things that I cannot do anymore.
Brain injury does not end when the ambulance leaves.
It continues into rehabilitation.
It continues into classrooms.
It continues in families. We search for one person to blame. The driver, the pedestrian, the road, the system. But accidents are rarely caused by our movement alone. A person choosing not to wear a helmet.
A person checking a phone while driving.
A person ignoring a safety rule.
A person saying it will only happen to someone else.
But responsibility is not only about finding fault. It's about preventing harm.
The choice to slow down.
The choice to wear protection. The choice to pay attention.
The choice to care.
We cannot change a moment before an accident. But we can change the moment before that. The moment where the choice is made.
We showed you a victim.
But this is not only his story.
We showed you a family. But this is not only their the people. So